Welcome to ASIM Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will about class keyword in Python. The class keyword is used to define a blueprint or a template for creating objects, instances. An object is simply an instance of a class. Think of a class as a cookie cutter, and the objects are the cookies you make using that cutter. Define a class called car. The __init___ method is a special method called a constructor. It is used to initialize the object when it's created. These are instance attributes, specific to the object. Make is the brand of the car. Model is the specific type of the car. Year is the year of manufacture. Define a method to display information about the car. Creating an object, instance, of the class car. Passing arguments to the constructor. Accessing the method display_info to display the car details. Output will be 2020 Toyota Corolla. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to ASIM Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.